Popcaan lifestyle and net worth in 2024. Popcaan, born Andre Hugh Sutherland, is a Jamaican dancehall superstar known for his unique sound, energetic performances, and global appeal. Since rising to fame under Vybz Kartel's Gaza Empire, Popcaan has cemented his place as one of dancehall's most influential artists. His lifestyle reflects his success, with luxury, fashion, and a deep connection to his Jamaican roots. Lifestyle. Popcaan enjoys a lavish lifestyle that showcases his achievements in music. He is often seen traveling worldwide, performing at major events, and collaborating with international artists like Drake, Burna Boy, and Davido. As a key figure in OVO sound, Popcaan has expanded his influence beyond Jamaica, making dancehall more mainstream globally. His love for high-end fashion is evident, frequently spotted in designer brands such as Gucci, Balenciaga, and Off-White. He also has a passion for customized jewelry, wearing gold and diamond-encrusted chains that symbolize his success. A true lover of luxury cars, Popcaan owns an impressive collection, including a Mercedes-Benz GLE 63 AMG, Range Rover, and Audi Q7. His lifestyle also includes riding dirt bikes, a hobby he passionately shares with his friends. His Instagram often showcases thrilling off-road adventures across Jamaica. Despite his luxurious lifestyle, Popcaan remains deeply connected to his community. He frequently gives back to his hometown of St. Thomas, organizing charity events, school donations, and community-building initiatives. His philanthropic efforts highlight his commitment to uplifting the youth and supporting local development. Net worth in 2024. As of 2024, Popcaan's estimated net worth is around $4 million to $6 million. His wealth comes from multiple revenue streams, including music sales, streaming royalties, concert performances, brand endorsements, and business ventures. Popcaan's albums, including Where We Come From, 2014, Forever, 2018, and Great Is He, 2023, have performed well on streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, generating significant income. His collaborations with international artists further boost his earnings, as they introduce his music to wider audiences. Touring is another major source of income for Popcaan. His sold-out concerts in Europe, North America, and Africa contribute substantially to his financial success. In addition, he is a brand ambassador for various companies, further enhancing his wealth. Beyond music, Popcaan has business ventures, including his Unruly brand, which features merchandise such as clothing and accessories. His entrepreneurial mindset ensures his financial growth beyond just music. Conclusion. Popcaan's lifestyle reflects a balance between luxury and staying true to his roots. With a strong connection to his community and a growing global presence, he continues to dominate the dancehall scene while expanding his brand. His net worth, estimated between $4 million and $6 million, showcases his success as a musician, entrepreneur, and cultural icon. As he continues to evolve, Popcaan remains a key figure in modern dancehall, influencing the next generation of artists while enjoying the rewards of his hard work.